Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Viva Frei makes on YouTube. So you know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they make more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video is watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Now let's take a look at the Zen analytics. It had total 502,000 subscribers and total 2,589 videos and 122 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it make monthly, annually, daily and per hour from YouTube? This channel gets 75,000 subscribers monthly and over 5.8 million views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $23,500, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make $282,000 annually. So after dividing monthly earning with 30 shows that they make $783 daily, and dividing daily earning with 24 shows that they make $32 per hour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of other YouTuber, then comment down their channel name. Thank you for watching the video.